Welcome everyone to our final problem in our cattle grazing problem series. Problem 4. On a pasture, the grass grows at a constant rate. 14 cows can finish it in 30 days. 70 sheep can finish it in 16 days. And it's telling us that the amount of grass a cow consumes per day is 4 times that of the amount of grass a sheep consumes per day. So how many days will it take 17 cows and 20 sheep to finish the entire pasture? Well, this is very different from our other problems because now there is 2 types of animals, and each of their consuming rates are different. But with our equation and all, we only know how to solve problems right now with one animal. So is there a way we can turn this 2-animal question to a 1-animal question? Well, we already know that the amount of grass a cow consumes per day is 4 times that of the amount of grass a sheep consumes. So we already know the relationship. So let's try to turn all the sheep into cows. But if we were to do that, we would have to divide 70 by 4, and that's going to give us a decimal, which is not very efficient. So what we can do is multiply 4 to 14. So now our equation will look like 14 times 4, remember this is 4 times 30, because that's the number of days. And that equals 1,680 units of grass. And for sheep, we have 70 times 16, which equals 1,120 units of grass. So now we would just find the rate that the grass is growing in, right? So we have 1,680 minus 1,120, and that gives us 560 units of grass. Then with that, we divide their difference in days, which is 30 minus 16, right? And then we have 40 as our answer. So the growing amount is 40 units of grass per day, which means that the amount of old grass that there were is 16 times 40 subtracted from 1,100, and that equals 480 units of grass. So this is, I like to label my values, the number of old. And if there are 17 cows and 20 sheep, we have to times the number of cows with 4, right? Because we need them to have the same animal, and that relationship is times 4. And that gives us 88. So we would divide 480 by 88, and not just by 88, but by 88 minus 40, because we have to take out the excess number of animals there are, and that equals 10 days. So how many days will it take 17 cows and 20 sheep to finish the entire pasture? 10 days will do.